Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how to make accommodations and moderate in new quizzes. First, we've got to log in to Canvas, so I'm logged in and I'm on my dashboard. I'm going to enter into one of my courses here, and immediately I'm going to see my navigation menu here, and I'm going to click on Quizzes. Now notice I have a classic quiz here, that's covered in a different tutorial, and here I have a new quiz. So we're going to click on New Quizzes so that we can see how to make semester-long accommodations and moderate specific quizzes and attempts and extra time for students. So I'm in my quiz builder. I've got my instructions. You can see I have my answers already, and everything is saved and ready to go. So I'm in the Build tab. Then you have the Settings tab, the Reports tab, and here you have the Moderate tab. I'm going to click on Moderate, and it's going to open with a list of students, and you've got two options here. You see a column that says Accommodations with a little pencil across from the student name, and then here, Moderate. So if I want to make a semester-long accommodation, that means that it's an accommodation that's going to last the entire semester. I can click here on the little pencil across from the student's name, and here you can see that these settings will be applied to all course assessments for the student. That means that every single quiz that you build, this accommodation will apply. So here I can add time adjustments, give additional time, remove the time limit, unlimited, and time limit multiplier. The time limit multiplier is really nice if you have a student who has an accommodation that allows them 1.5 or 1.25 more time. Right? So here it can multiply, so you don't necessarily have to do the math. And so if you have 1.5, for example, you can put 1.5 times the multiplier, and however much time you allot on any quiz that you make, it will multiply it for this particular student for the entire semester in this course. So that's really nice if you have accommodations that you need to set for a particular student. The other option is Moderate, which is this little button off to the far right across from the student's name. Now if you click Moderate, you'll notice that this is for this particular quiz. So on this quiz, I can allow this student to have additional attempts. So I can give this student 1, 2, or 3 more attempts. I can here set another time limit. I can give additional time, or I can just simply remove the time limit. And again, this is for a one-stop shop, one-time moderation for that student. So we've got accommodations, which means for the entire semester, and we can moderate a student's participation in the quiz here right in the builder of our quiz. Now after we're done, notice there isn't a save button anywhere. As soon as you click here and click the save internally, it will save on this page. And the same with moderate. Once you do it and you hit X, it's automatically saved. So all we need to do now is hit return, and it'll take us back to our quizzes page in the course. So this is how you set semester-long accommodations for a student, or how you moderate a student's participation in one particular quiz at a time. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in more, check out the FDC website or take one of our workshops.